In this video, I'll show you how to load your ink bottles inside of your Epson EcoTank printer. And this no matter the model. Over here we have an ET2800, but what I'll show you next applies to any EcoTank models. So let's get started right away. First, we have to open this compartment, and it's just a small plastic cap that swings open this way, simply by pulling it out. And then we have 4 different containers. Each of them are clearly marked over here. This is for the black one, the second one is for the yellow, the third one for the magenta, and the fourth one for the cyan. So let's start with the first one, the black one. Take your black ink bottle, the Epson 522, and then open this blue cap over here simply by putting your finger on the top and pulling it out. It will swing the same way as the door did. Unscrew the top of the bottle this way. And by the way, it's very important to not mix up the color, so do not put the black in another container over here, because this can cause many problems. Fortunately enough, Epson thought about that, and each bottles have a different nozzle shape. So the black one has this nozzle shape, the red one another one, and even if you try putting it in the wrong one, unless you press very hard, you will not be able. Next step, we'll have to put this bottle upside down right over there and let the ink flow by itself. So I'll take the bottle, and you see over here there's 2 slots, and the bottle itself has 2 of these plastic pieces sticking out. So those plastic pieces fit inside of those slots. And once you put the bottle inside, you can let it go. You don't need to touch it, you don't need to squeeze it as well. This could take a few seconds, even a minute, and you see over here the ink level is going up. This is great. You just have to let it do its thing. The bottle will stop itself refilling the printer when it will be full. Okay, now it is done. As you see here, the ink level is all the way up, and we can take away the bottle. Do not worry, it will not leak. This is made so there's no spillage. So take the ink cap of the bottle and simply lift it and put it inside this way, and you just have to screw the lid back like this until it clicks in place. Then we need to do the second one. Close this blue cap like this and open the yellow one. And we'll do the same exact thing. Take the yellow 522 Epson bottle, unscrew the lid, and simply place the bottle upside down. And let the ink flow. Once it's done, do the same thing. Usually there will be a bit left inside of the bottle, not much, but still, it's still usable. Now let's do the magenta. If while it's refilling the bottle stops flowing, what you can do is simply shake it gently like this. Do not press and do not remove it. Simply by doing small movement like this, sometimes it helps the flow, and this way it will continue refilling. Perfect. Now remove the bottle, place back the cap, and finally we'll add the cyan ink. And now finally I'll remove the bottle, place back the lid, make it click, and we're done with the refilling. You just need to place back this cap and close this cover. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, don't forget to check the links in the description if you want to get more ink for your printer. I'll put some Amazon links down below. If not, simply leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment.